Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manu Snem daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda ke MBBS Pyntreikam ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo ki kot bat ki materials kin don ru ki mock test ban Pyntreikam pi na benda ka neat.
Usumbut Mijoram baka zila bapet ya katana transport ubasnya balang dhar uloong baka sarkar kala Pyntreikam ban pendem no ya ka vehicle scrappage policy araja apusan bat don ka jingtmu ban Pyntreikam no Shuwa ban kut uni Snem. Yang mentang uloong baka sarkar kadang don hagalenti ban lum jingken bat shen ansa pentip kat nutili ki kali baro ki bahab ban penduk no. Ulai thu baka kham kelan hi khendian hendrei la khamidenti ban mentau Snem ansa la bet ban Pyntreikam.
Doing it. Done. We are under process of doing it. It take time. It take time. We are on the process of doing it. When the process is finalized in place, and automatically everything will be known to you. How many vehicles this year scrap, how many something. So as of now, we are in the process of finalizations already to be get it done. It will take a little bit time, but we are full move from the department. It will take some time. It will take some time. According to me, it should be by this year. You should be able to implement it.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the Stem's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the Stem's app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.